Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to become a Bolt driver and everything you need to know before you start earning. Driving with Bolt gives you the freedom to work on your own schedule. You can drive a few hours in the evenings, on weekends, or more regularly. It's completely up to you. Bolt offers weekly payouts, no hidden fees, and a reliable way to earn money through its large network of riders. To get started, you'll need a few things. First, a valid photo ID and a driving license. You'll also need a vehicle, usually a four-door car in good condition with valid insurance. Don't have a car? No problem. Bolt can connect you with rental or fleet partners to get you on the road. You'll also need a smartphone, either Android 9 or higher, or iOS 14 or higher to use the Bolt Driver app. Registering is easy. Download the Bolt Driver app and fill in your basic information like your name, contact details, and city of operation. Then create a secure password and upload your documents, license, vehicle registration, insurance, and a profile photo. Once Bolt verifies everything, you're ready to start driving. The Bolt Driver app makes everything simple. You'll get ride requests, pick up passengers, follow directions to their destination, and swipe to complete each ride. You can track your earnings, including bonuses and tips, directly in the app. You're always in control. Go online or offline whenever you want. Earnings are calculated weekly from Monday to Sunday and sent to you at the end of each week. Bolt also offers support if you have questions or need help with anything. Driving with Bolt is perfect whether you want a flexible side hustle or a steady income. The choice is yours. So that's how you apply to become a Bolt driver and start earning on your own schedule. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips.